Hey, what's up, Bueller Buys? So today on today's watch list, the very first one on my list was CHWY, and I wasn't going to do a video on any of these, but I actually saw a really cool example of this one. So, you see how the break below is 48.60, stop loss 49, target 47.65, so on and so on. This is how all my lists are, but let's focus on that. So here on CHWY, we have a break below of 48.60 in the first 10 minutes. One of the biggest main rules I always teach my community is to not trade the first 10 minutes. The first 30 you should definitely be cautious, but the first 10 you definitely avoid. This broke the level, so it kind of ruined the level. A lot of people would just kind of ignore that this even happened. What you need to be doing is marking that low, because if it never ended up going or continuing, and it went back up like it did today, then you need to mark that new low. So price went up, failed to get right back above pre-market or any bullish level to give you any bullish sentiment. I mean, it went back above this level here, the 9 EMA, but it barely had volume, and it really didn't take any ground. It was just kind of zeroing itself back out. Okay, so think of it as that. Price ends up coming back down, and we see price take back below the 9 with lowering volume. We have lowering volume in this candle, so we're just seeing overall weakness, pretty much still squared out, nothing really bullish or bearish. Next candle breaks below, and we get rising volume. We now have we finally have confirmation at all for direction. You see how that's the new level though to watch because it's the new low. Looking for new ground to be gained. You get accumulation going down, so not much movement to the downside there, and then price picks back up, back up. Look where price doesn't get back up and hold above though. The initial break above. So the original stop loss was about 49, right? If you were to break below this and then take that trade, this was your stop loss. So now that you've taken a trade below this level, what's your new stop loss? 48.65. So no reason to get out of that trade, even though it did have rising volume. So looking a little scary. Got above that recent little resistance there, but nothing that should have taken you level wise. Based on how we're trading it here. Next couple candles, we get rising seller volume with a very strong seller candle, which would have been a pretty good spot to take profits as it broke a new low just so you could get out of the trade. But it did end up continuing down to the 47.60s, which was the second target, and then the other target there at 47. The final target was 45.85, but clearly it's not there yet, or it needs more time. So if market ends up holding, you might even see this base out and try to range trade. But overall, I hope this video helps you guys, and let me know if you guys want more of this.